everybody, welcome to my video of
Cooking. What is this?
King crab
Green crab leg.
with
How big is this? Let's see.
Ouch.
Oh my gosh, bigger than you.
no, you super in the fourth.
Green crab. King crab leg.
Pepper,
So we do with nam chim seafood.
London seafood.
Yeah, we're gonna steam this one.
Steam this one.
So we have garlic.
Garlic. See everybody?
What is it?
This thing.
Yes.
Red pepper.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know what's this.
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
How about this?
Lemon.
Lime.
Lime. Green
Okay.
lime. See?
We start now. Okay. You take out this one, shell.
Okay, I can do it.
Okay.
Can you help me, please?
Okay. Let me get some knife. Okay.
Be careful with the knife.
Okay.
Do it on this one too.
Okay.
And this one. And this one. And this one. You can pass it to me. I'm a helper, remember?
Yes.
You never want to forget me.
Never.
Okay. No,
Ah.
just kidding. We already cut the garlic. See?
Peel.
Peel.
Peel the garlic.
Mm-hmm.
And use a knife.
Already done.
Yeah. I'm just telling you.
Okay. So make it easy. We put in the blender.
Blender?
Yes.
Where's the blender?
Okay. I get the blender.
I can't see the blender.
Okay. This.
Make it so easy.
Yes.
This blender goes in here? It goes in here?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put it.
Okay. This.
Super
1 second.
easy Thai food. Put in the blender, are you sure?
Yeah! And it's gonna be so loud. What?
Okay. Two pieces, please. Yeah. And this I gonna take this one for you, okay?
Why?
It might be spicy on your hand. 2. Yeah, make it 2.
Just two because
can give
we
you-
don't want it to make it so spicy.
Yeah, and normally we use the cilantro root, so we don't have it. We use the stem. Cilantro.
I'm gonna put this in.
Okay.
To make aroma.
Yeah.
Aroma? What's aroma? Aroma?
Smell good. Did you wash your hand?
I guess.
Okay.
Sure?
Where do you need to do it?
Okay, right here. Okay. Chop it.
Chop
Put it.
this?
Yes. Okay, more. Good, I think. One more. Let me see. Okay, one more time. Good. Good, good. Okay.
I knew it was gonna get wow. Spicy.
Yes, spicy. That's it.
Smell?
That's it. Smell good. That how to you? Then how smell good? Okay, it's spicy.
Not try. Let Kun Pa do it because it's spicy.
Why
It's
don't you
spicy,
say
okay?
Daddy, say cook. Cooker.
Cook. Cook. Okay, cook with kids. So you do it.
Cooking with kids.
Cooking with
so
kids?
how
I don't
do
want
that?
to.
Okay, I will do for you.
It's a lot spicy than I thought. Lime.
Lime.
Yummy. I tasted that before.
Oh,
I
you
tasted-
taste it?
Yeah, when I was a baby, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I want
You
to
wanna
try.
try?
Yeah.
Yeah, this test.
How the taste?
Yeah.
Good.
How's that taste? Okay.
Ooh, squeezing, I know that.
Hmm.
Can I do that?
Yeah.
You wanna do this? Try.
Yeah.
Okay. Can try it.
Okay, which one? Lemon.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
I think I've ruined it.
Okay. Good. Let me see.
Wow.
Thank you.
You like it?
Remember you laughed when I did that?
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna use fish sauce, sugar,
Sugar? Why?
sugar.
Where you put it in here?
Put in here.
Oh. What's that for?
So 1 tablespoon sugar,
Spoonful of sugar.
3.
Can I sing?
Yes.
Yeah.
1, 2.
A spoonful of sugar helps the
3.
medicine go down. Medicine go down. Medicine go down. It's your favorite song. That's it, that's it, that's it.
And how many?
2.
Two tablespoons.
2 tablespoon.
That's enough.
Sauce.
Okay.
Is that enough
Try.
for all those crab
No,
legs?
this we just do 1 portion for the people to know how to make it first. Let me see the sugar. Okay.
Melted.
This is palm sugar.
Oh,
I'm gonna put a little
hard.
bit more palm sugar, like 1 teaspoon.
Oh, but why you do it with a regular spoon?
Because when you mix regular sugar and palm sugar, it's more good taste.
Okay.
Okay, this is 1 portion of the how you call น้ำจิ้ม seafood. It's like
Yes.
a seafood dressing.
Oh, king crab. This is
Okay.
king crab leg.
Okay, try one more time. Okay, that's good.
Okay, that's good.
Sour,
Sour,
sweet,
sweet,
and salty.
and salty.
Yeah, you get
Yeah.
sour taste, sweet taste, and salty.
Salty.
That's gonna be good with
With
น้ำจิ้ม seafood.
pumpkin seafood.
Yes.
Yes.
Why are you playing copycat?
Is that right?
Okay. Now we put cilantro leaf.
Cilantro leaf.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
clean stuff.
That's done. And if you wanna make more, you put more stuff.
Double portion.
Yeah, double portion, triple portion, so make it bigger.
What are we gonna use this
We're gonna
for
steam the
again?
crab with steamer, and then
First
eat with-
steamer. Start on the big one.
Okay, we're gonna cut-
Because I love the big one. Be careful, it sprays at you.
Okay.
Please, can it not spray on me? I don't want it to spray on me.
Okay.
Oh, broken. Crab legs. This time, can I put it there?
Yes.
All of them.
Okay.
Put them daddy helper. They do good.
Table bar.
Okay. Gonna put it there.
Red and white. And pink inside.
Okay.
I'm just putting
แล้วที่เหลือ
We're gonna steam later. So for mommy.
Okay.
It's for mommy.
Oh, no, no.
Okay. This is already cooked, so we just reheat it.
Here, what's in that?
Yeah, I think take about 10 minutes. Done.
What?
Yeah.
Why is it
Okay.
10 minutes?
Okay, we're gonna close it. Set the time. Okay,
Set the-
10 minutes and then done. Okay, say Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy
Please.
New Year to everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
It's
King
a
crab.
king crab leg with น้ำจิ้ม seafood.
Did you forget leg means only one? Legs means lots of them.
Legs.
Okay.
Is it a S there?
Okay. Okay.